Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about problems on train and speed. First question is, how long will a train 60 meter long traveling at 40 km per hour take to pass through a station whose platform is 90 meter long? So here speed is given 40 km per hour. So first we have to convert it into meter per second. So we can write 40 km per hour equal to 40 into 1 kilometer is 1000 meter by 1 hour is 3600 second. So 40 into 1000 by 3600 meter per second, double zero cut, then with 2 we will cut 5 and 18. So 40 into 5 by 18. Then again we can cut with 2, 20, here it is 9. So 20 into 5 is 100 by 9 meter per second. Now the train length is given 60 meter and platform length is given 90 meter. So both we have to take means addition of both, because the train will enter, then the train will means cross, so platform plus the train length. So distance will be 60 plus 90, 150 meter. Time equal to distance by speed. So here distance is 150 by speed is 100 by 9. So we can write 150 into 9 by 100. Then we will get the answer. 1010 cancelled. So you have to remember, if it is an electric pole, crossing an electric pole, that means only the train length. You have to take the distance. But a platform means you have to take train length plus the platform length. So that is the thing you have to remember. Then second question, how many seconds will a train 60 meter in length traveling at the rate of 42 kilometer an hour, means kilometer per hour, take to pass another train 84 meter long proceeding in the same direction at the rate of 30 kilometer an hour? So same direction and opposite direction. If the trains are in same direction, then relative speed will be minus. We have to do minus. Okay. Opposite direction we have to do plus. So here first one is 42 kilometer per hour. Second train is 30 kilometer per hour. So 42 minus 30 kilometer per hour. That is 12 kilometer per hour. So here they will cross each other. So here here we have to find out what ki how much time, how many seconds. So time equal to distance by speed. So speed equal to here 12 kilometer per hour. So we have to find it in meter per second. So 12 into 1000 by 3600. So it is, if we cut it, it will be 5 by 18. So with 6 I am cutting, 6 to 12, 6, 3, 18. So 2 into 5, 10 by 3 meter per second. Okay. So now we have to take the distance. First train is 60 meter. Second one is 84. So 60 plus 84, that is 144 by 10 by 3. So 3 by 10. So it will be 144 into 3 is your 432 by 10, that is 43.2 seconds. So it will take 43.2 seconds to cross each other when they are in the same direction. So you have to remember, same direction means relative speed, means that is the subtraction. Opposite direction, it will be addition. Now third question, two trains running at the rates 45 and 36 km per hour respectively on parallel rails in opposite directions are observed to pass other in 8 seconds, and when they are running in the same direction at the same rate as before, a person sitting in the faster train observed that he passes the other in 30 seconds. Okay. So first we will take in same direction. Same direction means relative speed will be subtraction. 45 minus 36, that is 9 kilometer per hour. Now when it is in kilometer per hour, your first thing you have to convert it into meter per second. So 9 into, either you can do 1000 by 3600 or 1000 by 3600. If we cut it, we will get 5 by 18. So it is 5 by 2 meter per second. But it is relative speed of speed of the trains when they are moving in same direction. So it will take 30 seconds. So if we have to find the distance equal to time into speed. So time is 30 seconds, speed is 5 by 2. So if we cut, then it will get 75 meter. And here is the trick, that is the length of the slowest train. So from this we get that if the trains are crossing each other in same direction, then we have to find the relative speed and into the time that is taken for crossing, that will give, okay, that will give the length of the slow train. Now we have to find length of the fastest train. For that one we have to find the length of the two trains. Okay, so sorry, so we have to find the relative speed when they pass each other in opposite direction. So for opposite direction we have to find relative speed equal to addition of the two speed. So relative speed equal to 45 plus 36. Let me write. When the two trains are in opposite direction. So write down 45 plus 36. So it will be 81, that is kilometer per hour. So it is 81 kilometer per hour. So again we have to find meter per second. So we have to convert it into meter per second. So directly we can write the distance covered, that is equal to speed into time. So here time is given 8 seconds when they are moving in opposite direction, then the time is 8 seconds. So first for meter per second, 81 into 5 by 18 and time is 8. So first we cut it in 9. So 81 9 and 8 into 2, again we have cut 4. 9 into 5 into 4, it is 180 meters. So length of both the train, that is 180 meter. But length of slower train we have already calculated, that is 75 meters. So length of the faster train, that will be the subtraction 180 meter minus 75 meter. So let me write length of the faster train, that is equal to 180 minus 75 meter, that is 105 meter. This is the answer. Likewise another question will do. Next question. Two trains measuring 100 meter and 80 meter respectively run on parallel lines of rails. When traveling in opposite directions, they are observed to pass each other in 9 seconds. But when they are running in the same direction at the rates of as before, the faster train passes the other in 18 seconds. Find the speed of the two train in kilometer per hour. Okay. So let R1 equal to relative speed when moving in the same direction. So R1 we are taking relative speed when moving in the same direction. Likewise, I can take R2, that is relative speed when moving in the opposite direction. But here speed is not given. Here what is given? Length is given. Length of the two trains are given 100 meter, 80 meter, and time is given. One is 9 seconds when moving in opposite direction, and when moving in the same direction it is 18 seconds. So here there is a small trick. You have to remember that one. Then you can find the speed of the two train in 1 minute only. Okay. So now we have to calculate R1 equal to both the train length 100 plus 80 by, when they are in same direction, the time is 81, sorry 18, so 180 by 18, that is 10 meter per second. Likewise, relative speed, we have to find the distance is 100 plus 80 by second is 9 second when opposite direction, so relative speed in opposite direction is 20 meter per second. Now see, we have to calculate the speed of the faster train and speed of the slower train. So speed of faster train, what is the formula? Speed of faster train, that is your R1 plus R2 by 2, that will be your 10 plus 20 by 2, that is 30 by 2, both relative speed by 2, that is 15 meter per second, means we are taking the average relative speed. And 15 meter per second, if we convert it into kilometer per hour, we have to multiply 18 by 5. So 5 3 15, 18 into 3 is 54 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the faster train. Now we have to calculate speed of the slower train. So here we have to subtract the relative speed from the greater value to smaller value. So R2 is 20, so R2 minus R1 by 2. So it will be 20 minus 10 by 2, that is 10 by 2, that is 5 meter per second. So we have to convert it into kilometer per hour. 5 into 18 by 5, 5 cancel, 18 kilometer per hour. So this is the answer. So for more questions, subscribe my channel.